Travelers on board a flight that was struck in the sky by lightning are finally headed to their destination.
Thank goodness for them. It was a lengthy layover, though, for these passengers. And Local 10 News reporter Laren Livingston is live right now at MIA with an update on their situation. Laren.
And for many of those folks, it was trips back and forth to and from the hotel, and then a sign of relief once this Madrid flight showed back up on the departure board this morning. It initially showed 12. It's been pushed back to 12:30, and we just checked in with the ticket counter there. They tell us they're trying to get as many people enough time as possible to get on this flight, and for many of them, at least this leg of the trip is almost over. The promise of a new day.
It feels really good right now.
And a new flight.
About hopefully no other issues come up.
Those hopes almost vanished as soon as she said it, and the issues returned.
Still working in the plane.
That plane ended up with a cracked windshield Wednesday night after a mid-air lightning strike during a flight from MIA to Madrid, forcing it to come back.
Please help us!
That situation, passengers say they understood, but what followed?
Incredible frustration because the communication throughout has been horrible.
But we've been here for 2 days on account of this right here.
Mike Lappin was hoping to celebrate 46 years of marriage in his wife's home country. There were other celebrations and occasions. You're going where?
To see Pop Pop.
To see Pop Pop? And where?
In Banya.
And this is a trip in memory of my grandmother. Wow. That's where she was born. Just trying to hang in there, so trying to be positive. We'll get there.
Hours later,
Finally,
those passengers were back in the check-in line, news spreading fast.
Like, oh my God, thank you God.
Their plane was fixed, Flight 98 scheduled to depart.
Still stressful. We'll see if we take off.
And we wish those folks a safe trip. And of course, the plane, again, is still sitting out there, still waiting for folks to check in. In fact, one of the passengers just sent me a message saying that he's on his way through security. Hopefully, we'll be on that plane in just a matter of minutes. And now for those folks who have layovers once they cross the Atlantic, hopefully they can have a smoother process over there trying to make those connections. We're live at MIA. Laren Livingston, Local 10 News.